Hello everyone, Brooklyn here with AutoVideoEngage, and today I will be doing a tutorial on what we like to call our Technicians module. Now, what this really is a way for you to use our video tools, specifically our video email, to establish transparency with your customers during an ongoing repair. So really increase their trust with you and therefore your average RO. So let's go ahead and get started here. I am currently signed in where it takes me to the dashboard. What you're going to use is your send a video email here on the right. Now you're going to need your customer's name and email, of course. So let's pretend that Brooklyn Jones is your customer. And the cool thing here is if you have already had communication with them, it will auto-populate everything for you, so save you a little bit of time. You can also send up to 30 other recipients as well. So let's say your customer has multiple emails or your manager wants to be copied on your video emails. You could also enter them here. Now getting down to your email contents, you're going to want a subject line in that email, and let's say you want them to know there's been a vehicle update. Again, everything will auto-populate for you if you've already entered these things. If you want to write a short note to them as well, you can. If your video is already pretty self-explanatory, it's not necessary, but it is an option for you. What's really important here is your call to action URL. So this is a link that your customers can be redirected to from your video. Best practice here is to insert your payment or approval link. So let's go ahead and I made one up, paymentandapproval.link. Your call to action button text is what the button will say that redirects them to this link. So let's say approve payment. You can also enter in a phone number if you would like. I would say enter your shop's number, just making one up here. That way if they're on their phone and they have any questions, they can click call back and get connected with you right away. So let's go ahead and save everything. Now you do have the option to upload a video if you've already pre-recorded one, but what you will probably be doing the most is capturing the video right then and there. So once you click capture video, it will take you to your device's camera where you can get started.
Hi, Mrs. Jones. This is Dan McNutley over at Mike's Complete Service and Repair, and I just wanted to point out something on your vehicle real quick. If you can see this right here, it's probably got another 400 miles, but we would recommend replacing that. If you want to go ahead with that, it's $395, and just hit approve at the bottom of this, and we'll get it taken care of for you. If any questions, give us a call. Talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye.
Okay, and now that you have recorded your video, it will automatically populate it into the video email. You can see a little preview here. And just to make sure that everything is correct, you can review before you send. Now you do have the option to send later if you wish to schedule it at a different time, but you will probably want to send right now so that your customer can approve right away. So let's go ahead and send that. Now, since I was the fake customer, I will be receiving the email. And the cool thing about this is all of the videos that you create will be housed right here. So you can see if the customer has opened the email and how many times they've played the video right here in the platform. So let's go ahead. I, as the customer, have received my vehicle update, and you can set this up to come from your shop's email if you wish, any email you want. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on that. And as the customer, I will be able to watch the whole video. You will have your own shop's branding and logo in here. Obviously, we've made this one up for the sake of the video. But your customers will be able to recognize that this is coming from your shop. They have the option to reply back, and this will take them to their email, or they could just reply back right in here as well. They can call back with the phone number that we entered earlier, and then they can approve their payment. So once I click on this, this will take me to that fake link that I made up earlier. But if you are doing this, it will take them to their approval or their payment portal. So this really just streamlines the entire process of you communicating with your customer that there is an unforeseen issue or something going on that they need to approve. This will help clarify things for them very quickly so that it could eliminate some questioning and some suspicion. they will be able to automatically approve, and you can get going with the next step. So that is our technicians module here at AutoVideoEngage. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye-bye.